to be the champion.
I'm Brooke. I'm Nicole. Welcome to Sunset Drill, and you're watching Daily Delinquency.
What's up, fam? My name is Jay with Daily Delinquency, back with another video. And yes, we're at it again at a car show. I had to come out to my first car show with the wheels on. As you see, I just got them on here. And you seen in the last video, I finally got them on, baby. And they're riding clean, riding clean. So I had to bring it out. This is the first show with the new wheels on, and the last show with my system in there the way it is. So after this show, we're gonna be ripping it apart and gutting it and getting it ready for the new 412s. I'll go over that in the next video. Until then, check out these cars. I'm here with my boy Pun. He is the vice president and creator of the Takeover Car Club. They're the ones hosting this event. Thank you, Big Dog, for having us out, bro. It's a dope turnout. We got a bunch of cars out here. They got the music vibing. Yo, this is a straight vibe. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. So I just entered my car. We'll see what happens later on. But for now, we're gonna go check out these cars. I'm gonna show them to you. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? I'm here with Brooke. We're gonna give her a little bit of bass demo, see what she thinks of it. It's not as loud as it usually is because we're only rocking the 2 Scar amps, but we'll give her what we got, all right?
She asks why, bitch, I grew up on the car. I got her thinking she gon' meet moms. Started this mess. Yeah, in the Porsche block, and I pull up on the porch when they go big ass fizzy. I'm high, yeah, all my niggas
That's good.
What'd you think?
One more time. I just did a video. I need one more time.
Yeah, all right, you gotta get. I gotta hear it one more time. Here, let's do one more.
I'm my other bitch, fucking with my other bitch. Fucking all night, nigga, we ain't celebrating. Girl, you know what it is.
Sorry.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Appreciate that.
We got Dennis's son here. What's your name, buddy?
Eli.
Eli. You ready for a bass demo? He wanted the bass demo. Let me get that clear. He wanted the bass demo.
Any boss, since I know brand new bag. Hey, hey, I'm the juice in ice. When my neck was tripping,
What'd you think?
It's so loud.
So loud.
So loud.
I'm here with Luis, and he's gonna give us a bass demo in this van. He's got a walled off, looks like, what do we got, 2 15s?
2 15s.
2 Scar 15s, what are they, ZVX? 2 ZVX Scar 15s, what are you running for power?
I got 4,500 for those two.
4,500 running both of them?
Yeah.
Scar 4,500 running them, and then stock alternator, battery?
Yeah, it's stock.
Everything's stock. Let's hear what it sounds like, guys. guys, so we have a car for the girls that want to get a bass demo. How you doing, girls?
We're doing great!
That explains how they're doing. All right, so we're gonna give them a little bit of bass demo. They've never heard a loud system before.
Don't let me.
So, all right, guys, what do you want to hear? Let's see what we got. What do you guys think about it?
Give me more.
Give me more. Give me more. That says it all, baby. All right, let's. All right, let me see.
Blueberry in here.
My other bitch, fucking with my other bitch. Fucking all night, nigga, we ain't selling bitch. Man, say I'm too dope, I ain't selling it. Wild fresher than a motherfucking peppermint. Go let him man's last day killing shit. Young money, young girl, you know what it is. Racks.
Awesome.
You guys are too fun.
That was amazing.
You guys are awesome.
Do we have to go?
Rebel soul child, this ball, spawn of ancestors, and I'm blessed. They gon' knock him, tell him fess up. I get checks done, and the carefree never scares me. Hella reckless.
All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. If you want to see more, smash that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And if you want to stay up to date with my latest videos and posts, follow my Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Until then, go out there and be a delinquent. We out. Bow. I'm gonna put you on YouTube. I'm gonna show you this tomorrow. Huh? You wanna be on YouTube? What'd you say?
Bitch!
Rockstar lifestyle is tatted on my brain. I'ma bring the dollars, let Obama bring the change. See me, I'm the type that cries for mine, and what I want don't grow on trees. The way I'm living, I'ma die to shine, and bigger things is what I need.